We are making this beauty today, guys, and these are the ingredients I will be using. 1.5 cup cottage cheese. I used a cheesecloth to squeeze the extra water. I want the cottage cheese to be thick. 1.5 cup of cream cheese. I have a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of gelatin, 4 teaspoons water, little vanilla extract, biscuits. These are my favorite, I love them. You can use any kind of biscuits. And mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. I will start with adding the water to the gelatin and mixing well. There it is, I'll mix it well and I'll put it on the side now. We'll start with the cream. In a bowl, I will combine my cream cheese, my cottage cheese. I will add the sugar and a splash of vanilla, and I'll start mixing. One thing, guys, I made a huge mistake today. When I make this dessert, I always use a fork to mash the cottage cheese very well. Look at these lumps. I didn't do that today, and it took me forever to mix until I got this consistency of my cream. Look how creamy, fluffy, soft and silky it is. And the final step is to add the gelatin. And one final mix so we can spread the gelatin really well into our cream. And we're ready with the cream. Oh, it's so soft, it's so silky. And start arranging the cake. In 12 by 7 inch cooking pan, I'm placing the first layer of my cake, and this is the biscuits on the bottom, and I will top with layer of the cream. We'll cover the biscuits very well. You have to give it a try at home. And believe me, this will be one of your all-time favorite summer desserts. It is absolutely out of this world. It's so yummy and it's exactly perfect for the summer. It's great. I'll arrange a layer of strawberries, which I have cut only in half so we can see a nice layer from them. And again, another layer of cream. We'll cover our strawberries. Very nice. I will make me some biscuit crumbs. In my food processor, chop them real fast. And there they are. And I'm gonna use them as my next layer. It's time for the rest of the berries. If you don't have different berries, you can still make that layer with strawberries, but just this time cut them in thin slices and slightly push down into the cream and the mix with biscuit crumbs. We will end our layers with the top layer. Again, this beautiful silky cream. And our no-bake cake is ready. We just have to place it in the fridge for 4 hours to tighten. There it is. Spread it nicely. Give it few shakes, drops on the table. and off to the fridge. That's about 5 hours later. I'm just going to decorate my cake using some more of the crumbs, strawberries, and I will finally shave some dark chocolate on the top just to get this extra taste of the chocolate. Look at this, isn't that beautiful? And believe me, the taste, it's probably even better than that. It's melting in your mouth. Soft, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at these layers, guys. Okay, I'll be eating this a little messy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.